good looking block, Steve. Good looking block.
What's going on, survivors? It's almost 30 below out here right now. So I'm going to show you how to stay alive overnight in an igloo is what we're staying in tonight. Let's get to it. The downside to how I made this one is you have to go in head first and you can only bring a select number of things in at a time. That should be a little bit more of a cold sump way down low. Goes down a few feet and then up 3 or 4 feet. Oh. Ready to go in with me? I'm going to put my shelter up in this region here. I laid down, checked it out. It's actually 10 below inside here, so it's already warming up. It's pretty nice. But that's 20 degrees warmer than 30 below outside. This is really cold on your hands. So it's good to wear gloves with this too. You can get contact frostbite from just touching real cold things, such as fuel, metals. And then try and fluff this up and trap some insulation. Oh yeah. Don't let your hands get too cold. So cold that it's really tough to warm up. If you put them on your neck, that helps warm them up a little bit quicker and easier to get to than my belly. So what I have here is a Gore-Tex bivvy. Do not put your head inside this bivvy, otherwise you wake up with a bunch of frost on the inside of here, because you can breathe out up to 1 liter of water a day just in respiration. So that helps to protect your sleeping bag from the snow. And then this one is a Wiggies, and then this is a gray one zipped into this black one right here. So that's rated down to colder than 30 below. So if you have 2 sleeping bags at home, if you want to go out into a cold weather environment, put 2 or 3 sleeping bags in there, and it's going to do the same thing. So what I have to sleep in is a space blanket ground cloth. It's a little bit thicker. It's mainly just a ground cloth. Not really that necessary, but hopefully it gives me a little bit more heat. Then I have this inflatable mattress by XBed. It's about an R value of 4. So that's not enough for the Arctic environment when it's 30 below. So you want to double up your pads, put a foam pad on top instead of the bottom, so that's direct conduction to foam. It's going to keep you warmer than trying to heat up some of the air in these cells and rely on the insulation in here, with then the pad being underneath. So a lot of people put this foam pad underneath here, but then you're warming up a lot of these cells and preventing conduction from down here. So this is going to give you good R value over the top of this. So what I have here is an improvised Kudelik stove of sorts. And this is just some representative item like fat. But in this case, it's lard. Then we have some cotton as a wick. So work this lard and whatever fat you have into your wick. Otherwise, if you just try and light your cotton, it'll just fizzle out. Or if it's not saturated, it'll just burn up. So really try and saturate it, get it all the way through. And then once it's lit up, once you light it up, and then once you light it up from there, it's going to melt your fat and it's going to work just like a candle. So your oils are going to travel up the wick and then keep burning. This is burning nice. Getting closer to 0. Oh, hands are cold. Well, it's about bedtime. Right about 8:30, getting closer to 9. So I guess I'm just going to stare at the ceiling for a little while and then just go to bed. Oh, that's cold. Oh, kind of fun.